Welcome back to Mac and PC Prime Video. Today I'm going to show you. When Smart App Control blocks an app as unsafe, it means Windows Security thinks the app is risky, either because it's new or unfamiliar, or flagged as potentially malicious by Microsoft Security Intelligence. To fix this issue, you can disable Smart App Control in Windows Security. In this tutorial, let me show you how to disable Smart App Control in Windows Security. Go to Search for App and Browser Control. Click on App and Browser Control. This will open the Windows Security window here. Under Smart App Control, click Smart App Control Settings. Here, select Off to turn off Smart App Control. Now the warning message shows that if you turn it off, you can't turn it back on unless you go to Windows Recovery Options and reset this PC. It's okay, just click on Yes, I am sure. Now the Smart App Control is turned off. Now, if you open this software, it will run without any problems. If you like this video, please like. If you have any doubts, please comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.